Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and capturing the playlist ID. You need an API key from a Google Cloud project with YouTube Data API enabled. Once done, keep the playlist ID from the URL. Next, open a terminal or Postman. You will request playlist items with part equals snippet, content details, and your key. Run the first call with max results equals 50 to fetch the initial batch of items. This step exposes the video ID quickly, so you can move on to checking each entry. Once you have the playlist ID and key, request playlist items repeatedly, using next page token until the API returns no token. You collect every content details. Video ID into a single list. This is the core middle work because playlists often span many pages. Make sure to deduplicate ID and store them in a simple CSV or text file so you can iterate. This list is the only reliable map of items in a public playlist, including any unlisted entries added by the owner. Finally, iterate your saved ID and open each watch. V equals video ID in a browser. Unlisted videos will load normally but won't appear in search, while private ones will show a notice and can't be played. Once done, mark unlisted ID and, if needed, contact the playlist owner about private items. If something goes wrong, make sure your API key is valid and you use the exact playlist ID and URL encoding. Also check quota limits and retry after fixing those issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.